Welcome to Home Insulation Tips, where we unravel the mysteries of home improvement. If you're considering insulation options for your home, one of the most exciting choices is spray foam insulation. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the pros and cons of this versatile insulation method. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of whether spray foam insulation is right for you, or you might want to choose another insulation method. Let's get started. The pros of spray foam insulation. Let's kick things off with the advantages, also known as the pros of spray foam insulation. 1. Exceptional insulating properties. Spray foam insulation boasts an impressive thermal performance with one of the highest R values per inch among insulation materials. The high R value indicates that it provides superior resistance to heat flow, effectively maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures and resulting in significant energy savings. 2. Air sealing capabilities. Spray foam's unique characteristic is its ability to create an airtight seal. When applied, it expands to fill every nook and cranny, sealing your home against drafts and air leakage. This airtightness reduces heat loss, enhances energy efficiency, and leads to lower utility bills. 3. Soundproofing qualities. Beyond its insulation properties, spray foam also offers remarkable soundproofing capabilities. Its expansion and density make it an effective barrier against outside noise, making your indoor environment quieter and more peaceful. This is especially beneficial in homes located near busy streets or noisy neighbors. 4. Moisture resistance. Spray foam insulation is naturally resistant to moisture. Its closed cell structure acts as a barrier, preventing water infiltration and moisture-related issues, such as mold and mildew growth. This moisture resistance is particularly valuable in areas prone to high humidity or moisture like basements and crawl spaces. 5. Longevity. When installed correctly, spray foam insulation can last for decades without significant deterioration. It doesn't settle or sag over time, maintaining its insulating properties consistently. This longevity is an assurance of long-term energy savings and comfort in your home. The cons of spray foam insulation. Now let's explore the other side of the coin. The cons of spray foam insulation. 1. Higher cost. One of the primary drawbacks of spray foam insulation is its higher initial cost compared to other insulation materials. The cost can be a significant investment, making it less accessible to some homeowners. However, it's essential to consider the long-term energy savings that often offset the initial expense. 2. Professional installation required. For optimal performance, spray foam insulation should be installed by professionals. While DIY installation is possible, it can be challenging and may result in uneven coverage or air sealing issues if not done correctly. Professional installation ensures that the insulation is applied evenly and effectively, but it adds to the overall cost. 3. Cure time. Spray foam insulation requires a curing period during which occupants are usually advised to vacate the premises. The length of this curing time can vary depending on the project's scale, and it might be an inconvenience for homeowners, particularly in larger projects. 4. Potential off-gassing. During the curing process, spray foam may release volatile organic compounds, VOCs. While the levels are typically low and diminish over time, this off-gassing can be a concern for some individuals with respiratory sensitivities. Homeowners should be aware of this aspect and take necessary precautions. 5. Difficult retrofitting. Retrofitting existing buildings with spray foam insulation can be challenging. It often involves removing existing insulation and addressing air sealing issues, which can add complexity and cost to the project. The need for meticulous planning and execution is essential for retrofitting with spray foam. Conclusion. So there you have it, the pros and cons of spray foam insulation. It's a powerful insulation method with remarkable benefits, especially in terms of energy efficiency and comfort. However, it comes at a higher cost and requires professional installation. When considering spray foam, weigh these factors against your budget, goals, and project specifics to determine if it's the right choice for your home. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Home Insulation Tips for more valuable insights. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.